Good morning, Tigers, and happy Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful spring break. It is time for our announcements, so let's go ahead and get started. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. Okay, we had quite a few birthdays over spring break. So we'll start with the first set of birthdays. April 12th was Ibeth Gutierrez Gonzalez in 5th grade and Yesenia Morales in 5th grade. Happy birthday, ladies. On April 13th, we had Bryson Anderson in kindergarten and Rosela Cervantes Cruz in 1st grade. Happy birthday, Bryson and Rosela. On April 14th, Demarion Bell celebrated his birthday in 4th grade. On April 15th, Jasmine Katz in kindergarten celebrated her birthday. Happy birthday, Jasmine. On April 16th, Jayceon Frank in 2nd grade celebrated his birthday. I hope you had a wonderful day, Jayceon. On April 19th, that's yesterday, Elena Latham in 2nd grade and Samira Sepulveda Cruz in 5th grade celebrated their birthdays. Today we have two birthdays, Miracle Dudley in pre-K and Jacqueline Hernandez Mendoza in 4th grade. Have a wonderful birthday. Our announcements for today is that spring break has come to an end. I hope you were able to have some fun and relax and are staying safe. Our online and paper packet learning comes back again today. Paper packets can be picked up at school between 8 o'clock and 2 o'clock, and we'll have a few of those packets on our meal delivery buses. Again, a reminder to our Tiger parents that Northwest is not a grab and go meal pickup site anymore. We're just doing meal delivery. Our positivity project focus for this week is appreciation of beauty and excellence. So what we're going to do is each day we'll celebrate something that is considered beautiful and something that demonstrates excellence. So here is appreciation of beauty in nature. This comes to us from Arizona, which is in the southwest region of the United States. This is called Antelope Canyon. And this canyon was formed by erosion. So our 4th and 5th graders should know a lot about that. But this is considered one of the most beautiful places in the world, right here in our very own country. All right, Tigers, remember your tiger paws as you continue your online or paper packet learning today. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a marvelous Monday, Tigers.